Hello students. So in the last video we saw how Macaulay-Pitts model can be applied to NOR gate when two inputs x1 and x2 are given. We determined the value of weights which are nothing but -1 for W1 and -1 for W2, which are your inhibitory weights and not excitatory weights, and from these weights we were able to calculate the value of theta, which is the threshold, and here in this case the value of theta is 0. We also drew the Macaulay-Pitts model, as you all can see on the screen. Now we need to draw the graph of separating or drawing a separating line. So with the help of these points, so let me first plot these points. So we have got two inputs, so 4 points 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So I am plotting these points first. This question was asked in your Mumbai University examination for 5 marks. So along with the value of calculating weights and theta, you had to plot. So we'll plot the 4 points over here. So this is point 0, 0. Here we have got +1. Here we have got -1. Here we have got +1. And here we have got -1. So the 4 points, when we are plotting it, 0, 0 is this particular point, as you all can see. 0, 1 is this particular point. 1, 0 is this particular point. And 1, 1 is this particular point. Okay, so this is 1, 1. Now we have to draw the line which is going to separate this particular points. So what is happening in our case? Case 4, where W1 and W2 are -1, that is the instance where the neuron fires. So, and the points are 0, 0. So at point 0, 0, your separating line will be drawn, because we are getting the neuron to be fired at point 0, 0. So we will be basically drawing a 45-degree line at point 0, 0. If it would have been on any other points like 0, 1, 1, 0 or 1, 1, then at that particular point you would have drawn a 45-degree line. Since we are getting 0, 0, so we will be drawing a 45-degree line which is basically separating, okay, the points. Now, what is the main inference that I want to tell you all over here is, neuron fires when the points are 0, 0. So all the points which are lying below 0, 0, okay, the neuron will fire. Whereas all the other points which are lying on the upper side or the above side of this line, the neuron will not fire. I repeat, the points which are lying on the left hand side or below this particular line, okay, will indicate that the neuron will fire, whereas at the other side, what is going to happen? The points which are lying above this particular line will indicate that the neuron will not fire. I hope this is clear to you all. Thank you.